Ki khubor ka Batesi TV.
Ka umdi basnyam bat penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya. Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore. Ka khot admission nagamta ka nursing but paramedical course. Ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council. Ka buy admission ka badunatam. But she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Pila ru ban apply da ka education loan.
Kamukam College Long kakot admission haki degree but diploma course panong chef hotelier but kiway pandep khap mania fila pan call haki niki number.
UMLA jangka jurang constituency ba sosteno sotun dekat jingat trilang baru Deputy Commissioner Jangkri Bhoi District Abilash Baranwal ringkat ke officer jangka National Highway Authority of India bakitna PWD Road lahir jurip yakishnong umpher ke Badan Hari Bhoi District ke Bala Shakta dekat jing chlei hai kini khniasngi blalet no haga jing jurip asanran lang dekat hikai jangka St Jude Secondary School bakino hilam shnong Kibla penpau ke jing nakadaw ke jing shlei namar ke jing bamdon kanala ban pintu yak hak por bajur ulaba.
Here in the village here there. So what permanent solution for this?
परमानेंट सोल्यूशन एक बार सर एक्सप्लोर कर लेते हैं एक हाइड्रोलॉजिकल एक्सपर्ट को बुला लेते हैं लेट अस कॉल वन हाइड्रोलॉजिकल एक्सपर्ट फ्रॉम देयर कंसल्टेंट साइड ऑफ टू सी व्हाट इज पॉसिबल हियर और नॉट फ्रॉम हिज साइड या सीम्स लाइक सर कि मोस्ट प्रोबब्ली रेजिंग मे बी वन ऑफ द परमानेंट सोल्यूशन बाय दैट टाइम व्हाट वी कैन डू इज दैट रेगुलर ड्रेजिंग एटलीस्ट फॉर दिस सीजन by that time through regular dredging maybe a check dam and a concrete base to this we can try to minimize at least the flooding.
Very sad to see the flood situation in our school every year. It's happened due to the cutting of the hills in the killing site. I have been here for more than 5 months and experienced a lot of issues, problems occur every month. We are under the flood for at least 5 to 6 months in a year. Till November, we suffer from this first flood. People say that it's not a natural calamity, but they say that it's a human calamity. So I'd like to request the concerned people to see this matter so that we, the human beings, especially the impaired area, may not suffer anymore from this situation.
On the insistence of Honorable Local MLA and he requested that all the line departments and NHAI should be present. So that's how we have come for this meeting wherein this recurrent problem of flooding in St. Jude's School, we are trying to find out a temporary as well as a permanent solution. So we are here with all officers of disaster management, PWD and NHAI. We have inspected the site. We have discussed with NHAI. They are going to submit us a report regarding the permanent solution, how we can solve this problem for good, for eternity. But in the meanwhile, how to basically, relieve this situation temporarily. We have discussed many solutions, and very soon we are going to work on that so that at least for this season the school should not face any problem. Whatever necessary measures have to be taken, we will ensure that they are taken so as to relieve the school of this recurrent problem. There's been quite a lot of infrastructure damage due to the persistent flooding that they encounter whenever there is heavy rain. And we have taken note of that. I'll direct my BDO to compile a report on the same, and under disaster management, disaster relief fund, we'll see how we can compensate the schools so that at least part of the infrastructure can be compensated.
Can we expect the time frame?
Also can be immediately started, like dredging and all. However, the permanent solution will depend a lot on what are the financial implications and all. But then, as insisted by Honorable Local MLA as well, that we'll continue to follow from district administration side, from government of Meghalaya side, so as to ensure that even the permanent solution, whatever may be the financial implications, but then even that is implemented in a short span of time.
Sengi ngiron kini ke school ha Saint Jude, kumba kita bi ke school Saint Jude, dan kano ka jing slap ke ba half ha kini ke area, kini ibet ba kini ke school ka kan slay ha kini ke school, bakal tak sisa hadu kata kini ke school hi Broadway dan tangi dan lang ba di Deputy Commissioner jangka Brisbane District i ngapan pau ke jing play. Thank you so much our Deputy Commissioner for calling all the officers from the NHI and the consultant from the NHI and then the engineer from the PWD, and we have the local bodies also from represent coming together, and at the same time the school authorities, the principal and the teachers here. Ka jingman ka jongi ha kene kapor kalong ba ngidon na kajing sungkia nadu I Deputy Commissioner ngilayo menekran na kapor sa kapor agama iru idon ne kajing sungkia bani I kajing ja kajing long jingman gabde ba ha kajing ja biding ne school la kapor baslap ban ngilayo ban like ban inspect ya ketika outlet ha ketika main road jangka national highway ban ngilai ba idon ka jing ko alane kata ka jingruna ha garukom ba ka kanya ba kunyo ban like freely lana easily takanya dag masuk, but ilayo ban penpau hakmat jong ka NHI nang ka I Deputy Commissioner nang ka I engineer, but ngikwa nakiliang junga kumunong mikmat ngakwa ba kanika solution kalong bakila ban solve permanently. Namar bangilai I ba man kapor nakwe kapor sakwe pat kadan sya kajing sosnai kikna school ki bhabdu ka school kajing du ka school ya ka school authority si baro kajing julor kajing du ka jongki de na kata katao na kaliang jungi nga kumunong mikmat kum MLA bat kumju ba di DC bat ki na kaliang ka NHI bat di engineer bat ni kwa hiba kan nikakam kan long bakila ban solve no ploy nang ba onla ban pensuk bat kanum mi so kano ka jingja ha giding slay ha kanika thai trim hi barobor kendawan hi bantu to kiwara abat ka hindau lane ka jaklia ban lang but ngilayo panekran mata pangilay kerpat ya ka NHI nang ta ngilay don bat I Deputy Commissioner but nakaliang jongaru ngan sotho so Honorable Chief Minister juga jela ko jongi but nakaliang jonga kerpat bangan kerpat I ban yakran bat ka Assam counterpart kenang ba nginyo ban penyar ya ketika stretch jong ketika stream kenang ba ke hakaporilir kanyo ban lek dak besuk kata ketika kejing kemu ke ba mangi wan ru hang ne kenang ba nginyo ban aila ke wa ka kanyo ban lek hakal ti ke ba la ban lek bek dak ba yai bek kenang ba kanum dan kano ka jing pushback lane ka jing phai biang jong ko dak lapoi ketika hakti area. The school ngidon ya ka school ya kene ka snong umper but kini ki snong ru kala sakta he do kata namar bai kini ki snong hakapor ke memswa kilong ki snong ki bamjuyo banyo mat kene ka jing sleum but menta kene ka snong ru kala kata hado kata tingi bu ru ya ke jingkat bang ikermen kumangilayo banekren mata kasngi na kaliang kanahai kila pular begin penpuj baglakular hiba kinle ke badon kam nang ba ginyo ban penbek nang ba ka permanent solution on la ban penbek hak bidai ba kene ka jingja jong ke sleum hak kene ka school of Saint Jude ba kene ka snong umper